Good morning, brother. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
A very good morning. With the permission of the Honorable the Chief Justice, we may commence the proceeding.
Yes, please.
May I now humbly request the Honorable Justice Devanshu Vasak, Judge High Court Calcutta, and Honorable Member of the High Court's Computer Committee to deliver welcome address.
Thank you, Register, Information Technology. The Honorable Chief Justice T.S. Shivaganam, Honorable Justice Tapovoto Chakraborty, Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad, Honorable Justice Gaurang Kant, sister and brother judges present on the virtual platform, members of the registry, learned members of the three wings of the bar, staff of the High Court and NIC, dignitaries present here and on the virtual platform, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a very warm welcome to all. It's with pleasure that I discharge this privilege and honor of welcoming the dignitaries to this August occasion. Connectivity is now an essential part of the life. Today marks a significant milestone in our endeavor to harness technology for the betterment of our judicial system. This initiative is a testament of a commitment to modernization, accessibility, and transparency. Members of the bar of the Calcutta High Court on several occasions voiced their concerns about the quality of the available internet and network facilities within the court premises. The Computer Committee resolved on 7th of August 2024 to make available Wi-Fi facilities at the High Court premises. This resolution was approved by the Honorable Chief Justice on 14th of August 2024. Computer Committee, set up under the aegis of the Calcutta High Court under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Justice, is striving to implement user-friendly measures so as to advance the cause of justice. Judiciary pan-India is plagued with mounting backlog. Infrastructural deficiency as well as lack of adequate human resources are identified as some of the causes for the mounting backlog. Making optimum use of available technology by the judiciary is one of the solutions to the malaise of backlog advocated. Digitization of judiciary is now an imperative. Using available technology, particularly in the judicial field, will assist the judiciary in dispensing justice more efficiently, cost-effectively, and in a time-bound manner. A project of digitization of the High Court records is underway in the West Bengal Judicial Academy due to lack of space at the High Court premises. We are now in a position to inaugurate a point-to-point lease line between West Bengal Judicial Academy and the High Court. These lease lines will facilitate easy and real-time transmission of data to and from the West Bengal Judicial Academy and the High Court. In this inauguration of such Wi-Fi facility and point-to-point lease line, I welcome the Honorable Chief Justice T.S. Shivaganam, Brother Justice Tapovoto Chakraborty, Chairman of the Computer Committee, Brother Justice Madhuresh Prasad, and Brother Justice Gaurang Kant, members of the Computer Committee, as well as the members of the registry and the dignitaries present here and on the virtual platform. Computer Committee is confident that the members of the bar and the litigants will use the Wi-Fi facilities optimally, responsibly, and in advancing the cause of justice. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. May I now humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to inaugurate the free Wi-Fi service of High Court Calcutta and point-to-point lease line between West Bengal Judicial Academy and Calcutta High Court by double-clicking the mouse. May I now humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to deliver the inaugural speech in this occasion.
Honorable Justice Tapovoto Chakraborty, Honorable Chairman of the Computer Committee, Honorable Justice Devanshu Vasak, Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad, Honorable Justice Gaurang Kant, Honorable members of the Computer Committee, Learned Registrar General, Learned Registrar IT, and the other learned registrars, the IT team of the High Court at Calcutta, officers, staff, A very good morning to all of you. Today is, I would call it a red letter day in the annals of the High Court at Calcutta. Two very important projects have been inaugurated today. One is the Wi-Fi facility for advocates, law clerks, litigants, and other stakeholders. And the other is point-to-point lease line facility between the Calcutta High Court and the West Bengal Judicial Academy. Way back in July 2023, the Honorable Supreme Court started this initiative and provided free Wi-Fi facility to the learned advocates and other stakeholders in the Honorable Supreme Court premises. Taking cue from this, the vibrant Honorable Computer Committee took up the issue, and today we are able to inaugurate this facility to facilitate the advocates, to enable them to seamlessly discharge their duties while in court. The facility, I am informed, is OTP-based service, and the user, as soon as entering the identified zone of the service, the handset of the user will get the signal of a Wi-Fi, and upon entering the home page, the user has to put his mobile number and accept the terms and conditions, and OTP will be generated in the mobile phone. The service will activate as soon as the OTP is entered. The bandwidth of the Wi-Fi service is 200 Mbps, and I'm sure this will be a very effective bandwidth. And apart from that, it is free of cost. At this juncture, we should thank the government of West Bengal for having sanctioned the funds. Though initially the funds which are required may not be very much, but then it is a recurring expenditure which the government has readily accepted. As of now, the facility will be provided in the 3 buildings in the ground floor, and very shortly, all the facility will be extended to all the floors. The point-to-point lease line facility between the West Bengal Judicial Academy and the Calcutta High Court is the need of the hour. Given the distance between the 2 premises, the Academy was finding it difficult to stay connected with the Calcutta High Court. And this is no longer going to be a problem because of this point-to-point lease line facility with bandwidth above 100 Mbps. I'm sure that the members of the bar will be greatly benefited by this facility. And on behalf of the Computer Committee, I can assure all the stakeholders that we are focused on progress, we are focused on development, and very soon, very many initiatives e-initiatives will be implemented in the High Court at Calcutta, being the oldest High Court in the country. Our sincere thanks are due to the IT department of the Public Works Department of the Government of West Bengal, apart from the tireless efforts put by our Registrar IT and his entire team to make this a reality today. Once again, I convey my heartiest congratulations to the Honorable Chairman and Honorable members of the Computer Committee for having implemented these 2 very important projects. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lordship. May I now humbly request the Honorable Justice Tawabroto Chakraborty, Honorable Chairperson of the High Court's Computer Committee. Now, Lordship is at Jalpaiguri Circuit Bench to deliver the address in this occasion.
A very good morning to the Honorable the Chief Justice, my brothers in the Computer Committee, the members of the Registry, and the representatives of the bar present here. Technology has become an indispensable part of our lives in this century, and its integration with day-to-day justice dispensation is an unfolding reality. Nowadays, distance is no longer an impediment to justice due to virtual courts. Litigants can stay informed of their case status at the click of a button, and cases can be filed seamlessly through the dedicated online services. Setting up a free Wi-Fi service of the High Court at Calcutta is yet another example of how technology can be utilized for enhancing efficiency in the administration of justice. This initiative will enable the litigants, the lawyers and staff to access online resources, communicate efficiently and streamline the court proceedings. It will also facilitate the use of digital tools such as e-filing and video conferencing, which have already been introduced in various courts. Furthermore, the point-to-point leased line having the appropriate bandwidth between the West Bengal Judicial Academy and Calcutta High Court, which is also being inaugurated today, would surely facilitate to transmit the data securely from the West Bengal Judicial Academy, and the West Bengal Judicial Academy can always stay connected with the High Court for all purposes. Work in respect of this project has commenced in the month of August 2024. The proactive steps taken by our Honorable the Chief Justice and effective cooperation between the members of the judiciary and officials of the state has ensured its quick completion. I am hopeful that such cooperation shall only grow stronger in the days to come, ensuring that this initiative achieves its envisaged objective of making administration of justice more efficient. Thank you, and I wish you all a very good day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. May I now request Honorable Justice Madhuras Prasad, Judge, High Court, Calcutta, and Honorable Member of the High Court's Computer Committee to give vote of thanks.
A very good morning to everyone. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks today after inauguration of two very important services for augmenting the convenience and capacity of communication, real-time research, and transparency in the dispensation of justice for all stakeholders in the High Court, and also for providing the much-needed speedy and secure communication between the State Judicial Academy and the High Court, also giving impetus to the ongoing digitization of records. I express my gratitude to His Lordships, Justice T.S. Sivagnanam, Honorable the Chief Justice, for making this possible and for sparing his precious time for inaugurating the two services and highlighting the features, specifications, and advantages thereof by delivering the inaugural address. I also thank Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakravarti, the Honorable Chairman of the Calcutta High Court E-Committee, and the two Honorable Members, Justice Devanshu Basak and Justice Gaurankan, for their contribution in successful inauguration and their participation in today's inaugural function. I thank the learned registrar and members of the staff of the Calcutta High Court Registry, including the Registrar IT and CPC in particular, the other officers and staff associated with the E-Committee for their valuable support in successful inauguration of the two services and for making the inauguration function a success. I thank Honorable Sister and Brother Judges for their encouraging virtual presence today. I also thank the learned advocates and other stakeholders for their valuable virtual participation in making the inaugural function a success. Looking forward to more such inaugurations. I thank you all.
With the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice, the program may conclude by national anthem.
Yes, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे